Your vehicle is equipped with a 12-volt power outlet located in the tray on top of the center stack, and a number of 5-volt USB ports located throughout the vehicle. Keep in mind, some of these ports are charge only, while others support media as well. You may also find one or more 115-volt AC power inverters inside the center console, on the rear of the center console, or just below the climate controls. These outlets can be used to power cell phones, electronics, and other low-power devices when the ignition is in the on-run or ACC position. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.